Hello, my dear friends. For stampers, it is really important to get a crisp stamped image. But sometimes we can't get a good image stamped from our first try. That is why we need to use a stamp positioner. It comes in handy in such situations. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you a low-cost method to make a stamp positioner. Here's what we need: an acrylic sheet or thick acetate sheet. I'm using an acetate sheet and trimmed it so it matches with the size of the base I am using today. A magnetic sheet. The one I use has an adhesive back, but you can use glue if you don't have an adhesive one. A foam sheet, and for the base, I'm using a wooden clipboard from a dollar store. Any flat and sturdy board will work. Finally, a strong adhesive tape. I'm using duct tape. First, I am making a flap using the acetate sheet. Here I am using my cutting mat to level the flap and the clipboard. When you align them, leave a small gap around 3 mm. That will make it easier to open and close the flap. Using the duct tape, I am adhering the acetate sheet to the clipboard. Use it on both sides to secure the joint. I am going to adhere some foam strips around the base. A strip is about 1 inch in width. As you can see in the video, I have marked the edges of the acetate sheet on the clipboard. These are the outer margins for the foam strips. Now, use the foam strips and mark the inner margins like this. Now you can see a rectangle in the middle. Cut the magnetic sheet to the size of that rectangle. Now, adhere the magnetic sheet and then the strips. Adhere a small piece of duct tape on the acetate sheet like this, so you can use it as a handle to open the flap. Okay, now let me measure the length and the width of the usable area. It is 6 by 8 inches. So this stamp positioner can be used to stamp cards up to the size of 6 by 8. Now I am showing you how to use this. Place the card like this and secure it with 2 pieces of metal. Here I am using 2 dies, but you can use any other piece of metal as well. Then place the stamp on the card and close the flap and press it like this. You can see the stamp is now stuck to the flap. Now ink it up and close the flap and press firmly. Let me open the flap. And now you can see some areas of the sentiment has not been stamped properly. So I am repeating the same process until I get a solid stamped image. Okay friends, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe to my channel. And see you from our next video. Bye.